Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to sort your data alphabetically. Whether you're organizing a list of names, products, or any other data, sorting alphabetically can help you find information quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your Excel file. Make sure the data you want to sort is in a single column. In this example, we have a list of first names in column A. Next, we should select all data that should be affected by the sorting, which will say we also mark last name. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the cells. We also need to select titles. In this case, name and last name, so make sure to include that as well. With the data selected, go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find the Sort and Filter group. Click on the Sort A to Z button to sort your data alphabetically in ascending order, from A to Z. If you want to sort your data in descending order, from Z to A, click the Sort Z to A button instead. Excel will apply the sort to your selected data. And that's it. You've successfully sorted your data alphabetically in Excel. Sorting helps you manage and analyze your information more effectively. Thanks for watching.